The muffler gasket seals the exhaust guide and the spark arrestor to the muffler. Over time, the gasket can break down and fail. It can be torn if it is removed for another repair, such as servicing the spark arrestor. A damaged gasket could allow hot gases to leak past, potentially melting the plastic engine housings. Replacing the muffler gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the plastic engine cover. Now I can remove the exhaust guide. Along with the gasket and the spark arrestor. Now I can install the new muffler gasket. I'll place the spark arrestor into the recess on the muffler. Next, I'll align the gasket, and I'll reinstall the exhaust guide and secure it all with the screws. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's how easy it is to replace your small engine's muffler gasket. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.